Hi everybody, my name is Rian. Welcome to my channel Rian and Parishi, and I have my cousin brother. What is your name? Can you tell?
Arman Singh. You know guys, my name is Arman Singh.
Yeah. And
he is unboxing the Asian Paints Glue Grip 2 Grip Create. See,
this is one new paint. It's the best paint in the world.
not paint, it's just glue.
Sorry, it's a glue.
And I take for him with free.
Yeah. He's my cousin brother, so why for free? We cannot take the money from anyone. Only from the shopkeepers and something. So, whatever. And this glues are so much best.
Non-toxic and not messy.
Yeah. This is
Rian,
Asian Paints.
Side please.
Asian Paints trugrip cr-8. This is a glue for every craft. It's a pack of 10 non-toxic white glue. And it is very expensive. And yeah.
I take one for me. This.
Yes.
But I order one more.
And it is non-messy also. That means it is not at all messy, but it can be messy. So please be careful while using this Asian Paints trugrip cr-8. You can see these yellow parts. These are the cap of these paints.
This part is cap of Asian Paints to Grip Create. Wait, Rian. Okay.
Yeah. So this is the cap.
Open this, please.
Okay.
And give me.
1 minute. I'll
Okay.
show you.
Don't. But glue is over of here. Then
You have to.
and then we fill Fevicol in this dark blue cap.
We have to squeeze it. Then
No, not squeeze to me.
You should squeeze it when you want it. This is like a Fevicol. So we have to squeeze. Then the glue will come out. And we can use it for sticking something and for art and craft. And yes, he's making very funny faces, scary faces. Okay, now let's do
Now doing 15-second challenge, and Rian solve this Rubik's cube in 15 seconds.
50, right? Or 15.
15.
Okay,
1, 2, 3, go.
count it.
No, I don't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
I can't
See.
do it. Actually,
I do. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15.
I solved. Yes, I solved.
He didn't solve. He didn't solve it. Okay, in 50 seconds challenge, we have to
Do some stunts in 15 seconds.
yeah. No, we'll do the magic tricks.
No, we have don't magic. Okay, no trick, no flexibility challenge. Okay, in 15 seconds. First, you have to this, and this. Next is elbow पे
On elbow.
and on elbow you put the tongue. Yes, I done.
Okay, now like this, right? You don't do it. I'll do by myself. I did it. So now,
I also did it.
yes. So now,
मैं बाल गया.
okay. So now we are going to do another challenge that is
Asian players do a create challenge.
no. Who will balance this for 15 seconds wins. Not like this. Like this.
What?
Like this it should be.